Troops, good evening. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merch. Part 10, Sun Silk Tube Container. Tapos meron tayong Sun Silk Co-Creation Smooth Manageable Shampoo, 5 times motor, fragrant hair. 350 ml po siya.
Dali na.
Meron din tayong new Sun Silk Strong and Long Shampoo for stronger and thicker locking hair with biotin, aloe vera, and castor oil. 350 ml po siya. Meron din tayong 180 ml. Sun Silk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo din. For smoother and fragrant hair. Active infusion. Meron din tayong 180 ml din. Sun Silk Strong and Long Shampoo for stronger and thicker looking hair. Ayan. With biotin, aloe vera, and castor oil. Active infusion. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit sa small stores, sa mga malls. Meron din tayong Sun Silk Damage Reconstruction Shampoo. Active infusion. 180 ml. Unilever po yan. Meron din tayong Sun Silk Expert Perfect Straight Shampoo. Blow dry level straight hair with jojoba oil, silk protein, and vitamin E. Active infusion. 180 ml po yan. Yan. Meron din tayong new Sun Silk Naturals Coconut Hydration Shampoo. 170 ml. Unilever po yan. Din po yan. Meron din tayong Sun Silk Naturals Watermelon Freshness Shampoo. 170 ml. Then, last, meron din tayong new Sun Silk Naturals Sakura and Raspberry Radiant Shampoo. Ayan, 170 ml po yan. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit small stores. Ayan po siya. Ayan. That's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Thank you for watching. Respect. Always rise. Never give up. God bless us all. Always.